Good evening. Our top story tonight, live at 5. A federal judge has denied the Bail Project's request to stop a new state law from applying to them specifically. Good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Birchelle Edmay. Now, that law starts Friday and adds regulations on charitable bail organizations. Our Fox 59 Investigates team has been looking into the Bail Project for nearly a year now.
Chief investigative reporter Steve Brown joins us right now to explain what this decision means. Steve?
Dan, Birchelle, it means that the Bail Project will have to abide by the law going into effect on Friday. Experts say getting a preliminary injunction or getting the judge to stop the law at this point is a huge challenge.
So the next question is,
Indiana University law professor Paul Helmke says preventing House Enrolled Act 1300 from applying to the Bail Project on July 1st is a tough ask.
once the law is in effect, then it's easier to argue that the state's written bad regulations or that the state has treated the Bail Project unfairly. But ahead of time, for a preliminary injunction, you have a very high standard.
The Bail Project's argument is the law violates the organization's First Amendment free speech rights and the 14th Amendment to the Constitution guaranteeing equal protection under the law. According to court records, the judge is denying the Bail Project's request because the organization hasn't shown a likelihood of success in justifying a halt on that law.
What the Bail Project is arguing is that the Supreme Court has said that money is speech in the context of political campaigns. That's one of the main cases that the judge looks at.
The new law regulates all charitable bail organizations, prohibiting them from paying bail for someone charged with a violent crime or anyone convicted of a past violent crime. Also, charities posting bail more than 6 times a year must register with the state. This law came after Fox 59 reporting on multiple instances when people bailed out by the Bail Project went on to be arrested again, in some instances for murder. Having failed to block the new law, Helmke says at this point the Bail Project can amend its complaint and begin the appeals process.
Oftentimes, when you have settled law, you're not going to have the district court judge, the local court judge, throw a law out, but you might have more of a chance of that once you go up to the appellate court.
We spoke with the Bail Project's team in May after they filed their lawsuit. The question they raised then is what makes them different from anyone else posting bail.
The judge sets that amount. A church, anyone else, the bail bond industry, anyone else can go in and bail that person out, and we're the only ones who are not. Therefore, our advocacy rights are being violated.
We reached out to the Bail Project and their attorneys at the ACLU. They did not grant us an interview but promised a statement, but we have not received that yet. When we get it, we will post it to our website where you will find our previous stories about the Bail Project. Steve Brown, Fox 59 Investigates.